The 2025 Nissan Patrol comes with innumerable changes, including a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 and a 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6. These two engines replace the famed V8. The interior of the all-new Y63 has also seen significant updates, making it plushier than the outgoing Y62. Watch this review till the end to determine whether the Nissan Patrol 2025 is the SUV for you and your family. Exterior. The 2025 Nissan Patrol is 5,350mm long, 2,030mm wide, and 1,955mm high. The old version measures 5,315mm long, 1,955mm wide, and 1,940mm high. While the all-new Y63 is a huge chunk of metal, its wheelbase is the same as its predecessor, Y62. That means the measurement between the two axles of the Nissan Patrol 2025 is 3,075mm. The Nissan signature V-Motion grille features two thin bars to give the new Patrol a distinct look. The front also features massive vertical headlights and a unique LED daytime running light design, which in return sports dual C-shaped elements. Also, the 2025 Nissan Patrol features four vents above the flared front fenders to give it a commanding presence. As for the rear, a Patrol badge is handsomely displayed just below the full-width LED bar. Plus, the all-new Y63 boasts a two-tone exterior, which creates the illusion of a floating roof. Another feature to be excited about is the roof-mounted spoiler, which gives the Nissan 2025 Patrol a sporty vibe. The rear also features C-shaped LED running lights like the front to maintain consistency. What's more, these running lights blend beautifully with LED taillights to create a lasting impression long after the Patrol has departed the scene. Additionally, the rear boasts a bumper with beefy plastic cladding, a pintle hook in the middle, and static reflectors on each side. Interior. When you get inside the 2025 Nissan Patrol, you will be greeted by zero-gravity seats, which are upholstered in nice quilted leather to redefine comfort. The interior also features a large panoramic roof that allows plenty of light. Plus, it has thoughtfully integrated 64-color mood lighting to make rides across the city memorable. Moreover, both the second and third row legroom is generous, making the 2025 Patrol Y63 perfect for tall dudes. The interior also boasts lots of tech features like the 28.6-inch monolith display, which consists of two 14.3-inch high-definition panels. These panels in return have an infotainment screen and a digital instrument cluster. Second row passengers also have a lot to marvel at, including dual 12.8-inch entertainment displays with climate control panel. In addition, adjustable AC vents are in all rows to maintain optimum comfort. The Trizone Auto Climate Control is another feature that makes you wanna spend time in the all-new Nissan Patrol. It is really advanced and features infrared sensors that read the body temperature of the Patrol's occupants. Once it has this valuable information, it adjusts the settings as needed to ensure optimum cooling. The new 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 also comes with a leather-wrapped steering wheel, which in return has paddle shifters and capacitive buttons. Furthermore, a 12-speaker Klipsch premium audio system offers an immersive sound experience, making trips to the mall better than ever. Other convenience features are a large head-up display, an electrically adjustable steering wheel, the Nissan Connected app, a cool box, 6 USB and 3 12-volt sockets, wireless charging, and massaging seats with cooling and heating functions. The Nissan Patrol 2025 also has a large cargo area with a hands-free tailgate for effortless loading and unloading. Besides, power folding seats and the boxy design increase the cargo volume of this large SUV. Engine and performance. The popular 5.6-liter naturally aspirated 8-cylinder engine is no more, and in its place is a twin-turbocharged V6 which puts out 317 kilowatts of power and 700 Newton meters of torque. The 7-speed gearbox has also been done away with, and in comes a new 9-speed transmission system to ensure improved performance and efficiency. Furthermore, the 2025 Nissan Patrol comes with 6 drive/terrain modes: Standard, Sand, Eco, Mud, Sport, and Rock. It is also worth noting that the hydraulic body motion control system has been replaced by height-adjustable air suspensions and electrically controlled shock absorbers. What's more, all 2025 Nissan Patrol variants come standard with a 4-wheel drive system to confidently handle different terrains. As for the fuel consumption, the standard 3.8-litre V6 rates at 9.7 km per litre or 10.3 litre per 100 kilometers, while the 3.5-litre twin-turbo rates at 10.1 km per litre or 9.9 litre per 100 kilometers. Besides, the full tank capacity of the Nissan Patrol 2025 is 97 liters. Final thoughts. The 2025 Nissan Patrol price ranges from 65,000 to 105,000 USD. While the price has skyrocketed, we feel it is worth it for the value the Nissan Patrol 2025 offers. What are your thoughts about the all-new Nissan Patrol Y63? Please, let's meet in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you found the video valuable, smash the like button and share it with friends. Another thing, the 2025 Nissan Patrol has a twin sister, the Armada. Built for the US market, the new Armada has stunning features that have to be seen to be believed. Click the video on the right side of your screen now to see how it compares to the all-new Nissan Patrol 2025.